the way. Yeah, heading towards St. Elizabeth, you know? Yeah, man. YGT. We're outside.
Are there two chairs there? There two there. Me not even move them.
Jaja.
We sit right here, so underneath this, so we shelter. 4 or 5 a week.
Yeah.
5 a week shelter right underneath this, so when the storm and one.
Yeah.
Right here, so we sit on.
People, this lady, she had more than 50 chickens and this is what's left out of it. Come look at this. Look at all the papaya. Finished. All of it. What I've just seen in that house there. Honestly. And the kids as well. You imagine being a small little kid and that happening. That is. All the crops done. Sorrel's done. Few little banana trees left.
These are what left out of it. There's 50 something of them.
Yeah.
And this is what left out of them. See, the chicken farm here. And we have 5 pigs. Hey, them dead.
People are still there? No.
Whole roof gone. Oh gosh.
This is all the little ones in the room.
Oh.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
So we have to come up with the paper like this.
Yeah, this was his room. This is my care room. Moving over here, so around on this side. That's the bathroom. And this is my room.
No.
In there, everything.
Yo, Gucci.
They are long time. But you see that there, and you see the lady up there, so on the top up there, so whole affair the gun away. You can see, so then just barely pitchy patchy up back. To make she go in the room. And my next lady friend, we know she about 80-something year old. We live up on that hill there. If something they're not supposed to know.
People come around differently.
Eh?
People come around now. Assist and then.
No, more than
Nobody knows
some.
him.
Like, let me tell you now. You see, if them a pass out like Saturdays, yeah, me have to go down the road. Yeah, I have to go down the road. And when I go down the road, like I
See there, people? Nothing's left. Everything done. Are you up here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, my place, that everything gone.
So they know what go on people, so anything on they can show
People,
and they can give.
now you can see we are promote the foundation, you know, to help the people. Then now you can really see with your own eyes what's going on. You understand?
Go on the
So,
step, stand up. Go on the step there.
yeah. So make you know, link in my description bio, anything you can do, be appreciated. You know what I'm saying? People that really feel it down your man.
appreciate anything I get.
Any little thing, you
Yeah,
know?
man, see owner there. Share owner, you see it, so you don't know anything owner can show about. You just do that, please. You see me? Them know again them that are.
Yeah, man. YGP, one YGP Foundation. People, I feel it down your man. I tell you, I feel it, man.
George B, what you say?
So no, believe me, people. Earth.
You need a woman say somebody's house. All the cook on the bed fly away with the wind.
Everything, you just take it up and just move with the bed, move with the stove, move with everything.
Oh God.
See all that one, see that house up in everything left out?
Yeah.
Nothing no left back. Some of them people there now. They have to move out because they're old, you know. They're old.
Sell zinc and Santa. These are for buy it at the parish and make it come to them.
Yeah.
Santa,
No, just I said that these are other buy from the parish. If you buy it out of the parish, only for problem to carry it in.
There must be a way where man can just send the money. All right. So see if we get you a link now.
Yeah, we have a
We can just send you the money direct.
But outside of the world.
You know that. Big up the foundation, you know.
You got the foundation.
Said we are. There you go help rebuild this. You see? Bring back family together. Cheer. You know that. It's a sad moment, you know, but we still have to bring joy to the people them, you see me? We can't make the people them feel sad. Yeah, help it. Not no bad. You see me? Yeah, man. YGP, One Camp Foundation. Bring family back together. Straight.
Yeah, people. Look at the kids' school. That's the school. This whole place smash up. Okay, the people that need help. Yeah, man.
It's him said one. What his name?
Like how him know how to say the word.
This school, you go? Used to?
Used to, yeah.
The storm, it was a bad thing for two in the life, you know.
Yeah.
So that's
Although my rooftop, I come off, I can see it right here.
your house
That's it
is-
also?
Sure. So nobody don't no go school right now? No school.
We just go to school up at church, up there. So.
Okay. And this is your old school?
No, I still go to school when I'm in grade 5.
Happy times will come again, yeah? Happy times are come. Just always have a happy time, yeah? I want to name Melissa and I respect nobody.
Never see this in a game. And you see how it left the thing them dry up? You see how it left the thing them dry up?
See it, people. Nothing left on the trees. Look, people, I don't know if you can see
everything
over
dry
there.
up like it's a famine a come.
Yeah.
You know something like that, brother?
Literally, there's nothing
like,
left on the trees. Look.
It's a famine. Them plan for reap.
Look at that, people. Look.
Right.
Nothing's left. There's little bits on the top of the trees there. The whole thing. Is it Cook and Vine? Yeah. It was a mad one today. It was an emotional one still. You see? Yeah. Sorry, the footage is the wrong angle, but as you can see for yourselves, yeah, the place get hit hard. have nothing. So, in the description, you can donate. I hope now you see it for your own eyes, if you haven't seen it before, or whatever you've seen today, and you can see that people that really need help. So, any little thing, if it's small or large, you know, yeah, just do the right thing. Big up the whole team. Everybody's tired. It's been a busy couple days getting everything together, and then going out to the countryside is quite a far drive from where we're located. So big up the team: Unruly Kelly, Jabari, George P, Zidane, and the mama there. Big up CIS, Saliba Music Group. Big up Jamaica. Sue Rebuild, man.